Can your thoughts really heal your body? Mounting evidence suggests our minds wield more power over our physical health than we ever imagined. This isn't about pseudoscience, it's about understanding the intricate connection between your brain and body. Today, we're diving into the world of mind-body healing, backed by research and real-world examples. Whether you're a skeptic or just curious, you're about to discover how harnessing your mind's potential could transform your health and well-being. The mind-body connection, more than just a concept. The mind-body connection describes the interplay between our thoughts, emotions, and physical health. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, impacting everything from our immune system to our digestive health. When we're relaxed, our bodies produce feel-good chemicals like endorphins and oxytocin, boosting immune function and helping with pain management. Numerous studies have shown that our mental states can have tangible effects on our physical health. Chronic stress can increase inflammation in the body, while practices like meditation and mindfulness have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve overall health outcomes. The placebo effect, not just sugar pills. The placebo effect is powerful enough to rival some actual medical treatments. In a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, both real and sham acupuncture significantly outperformed no treatment for chronic arm pain. Similar results have been found in studies on depression, pain management, and even Parkinson's disease. When you believe you're receiving effective treatment, your brain releases natural painkillers and mood boosters. While it's not about replacing necessary medical treatments, you can boost their effectiveness by maintaining a positive outlook. Believe in your treatment plan and visualize positive outcomes. Stress, the silent saboteur. Chronic stress doesn't just make you irritable, it can literally make you sick. When stress becomes chronic, it's like leaving your car engine running 24/7. Eventually, things start to break down. Prolonged stress has been linked to a weakened immune system, increased inflammation, high blood pressure, and even accelerated aging at a cellular level. A study in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences found that chronic stress can actually shorten your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA associated with longevity. Managing stress can reverse these effects. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and regular exercise have been shown to lower cortisol levels and reduce the physical impact of stress. Even simple acts like spending time in nature or practicing gratitude can make a significant difference. The surprising power of social connections. Strong social connections can be as important for your health as diet and exercise. A study in Pilos Medicine found that people with strong social relationships had a 50% increased likelihood of survival compared to those with weak social connections. Social connections impact our health by reducing stress, encouraging healthier behaviors, providing emotional support, and boosting our immune system. It's not just about the quantity of relationships, but the quality. A few close, supportive relationships can be more beneficial than a large network of superficial connections. The hidden influence of self-talk. Our internal dialogue shapes our perceptions, influences our stress levels, and can even affect our body's healing processes. Negative self-talk can increase inflammation in the body, slow wound healing, and make us more susceptible to illness. Positive self-talk has been linked to improved immune function, better cardiovascular health, and increased longevity. Changing your self-talk isn't about forcing positivity. It's about developing a more balanced, realistic inner dialogue. When you catch yourself in negative self-talk, pause and ask, is this thought helping or harming me? Is there a more balanced way to look at this situation? The healing rhythm of sleep. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, fixing damaged cells, boosting immune function, and consolidating memories. A study in the journal Sleep found that people who consistently got less than 6 hours of sleep per night were 12% more likely to die prematurely than those who got 6 to 8 hours. Your thoughts and behaviors around sleep can significantly impact its quality. Creating a consistent sleep routine, avoiding screens before bedtime, and practicing relaxation techniques can all improve your sleep quality. Moreover, your beliefs about sleep matter. Research has shown that people who believe they've had a good night's sleep, even if they haven't, perform better on cognitive tests the next day. The unexpected benefits of laughter. Laughter doesn't just feel good, it can have tangible effects on your physical health. When you laugh, your body releases endorphins, promoting an overall sense of well-being and temporarily relieving pain. Laughter also boosts your immune system, lowers stress hormones, decreases pain, relaxes your muscles, and prevents heart disease. A study in the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine found that laughter therapy could significantly reduce depression and improve sleep quality in elderly patients. Another study in alternative therapies in health and medicine showed that watching a funny movie could increase the production of immune-boosting antibodies. The power of purpose. Studies have shown that people with a strong sense of purpose tend to live longer, have better immune function, and are at lower risk for heart disease and stroke. A study in psychosomatic medicine found that people with a high sense of purpose in life had a 23% reduction in death from all causes and a 19% reduced risk of heart attack, stroke, or the need for coronary artery bypass surgery. Purpose doesn't have to mean changing the world. It's about feeling that your life has meaning and direction. To cultivate a sense of purpose, identify your values and what truly matters to you. Set meaningful goals that align with these values. Engage in activities that make you feel fulfilled and connected to something larger than yourself. The healing touch of nature. Research shows that connecting with nature can have profound effects on both our mental and physical health. A study in Scientific Reports found that people who spent at least 120 minutes in nature per week reported significantly higher levels of health and well-being compared to those who didn't get out in nature at all. Another study in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that forest bathing, the practice of spending time in forests, could lower blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, and boost immune function. Even small doses of nature can make a difference. Take a walk in a local park, tend to houseplants, or simply sit outside and observe the natural world around you. Even looking at images of nature can have a positive effect. A study in the Journal of Environmental Psychology found that office workers who had a view of nature from their desk reported higher job satisfaction and lower stress levels. The transformative practice of gratitude. Practicing gratitude isn't just about being polite, it's a powerful tool for improving both mental and physical well-being. Research in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that people who kept gratitude journals experienced fewer aches and pains, reported feeling healthier, and were more likely to exercise regularly compared to those who didn't practice gratitude. Another study in psychosomatic medicine showed that gratitude was associated with better sleep quality and duration. Gratitude has been shown to lower stress hormones like cortisol, reduce inflammation in the body, and even improve heart health. It can also boost positive emotions, which in turn can strengthen your immune system. To practice gratitude, try keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Express gratitude to others more often, or simply take a moment each day to silently acknowledge the good things in your life. As we've explored these 9 powerful ways to heal yourself with your mind, remember that this isn't about replacing traditional medical care. It's about complementing it, creating an environment where your body's natural healing abilities can flourish. These practices are tools you can use every day to support your health and well-being. The mind-body connection is a powerful thing, and the more we understand it, the better equipped we are to take control of our health. Start small, be consistent, and pay attention to how these practices make you feel. Over time, you might be surprised at just how much influence your mind can have over your physical well-being. Remember, healing isn't just about treating symptoms, it's about nurturing your whole self, mind, and body. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you're not just working towards better health, you're opening the door to a more balanced, fulfilling life. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.